Hey girls, I'll take your turns to look at the camera and see your name.
Lindsay! Andre! Danica! Sarah! Sarah! The love of Marissa's life! Bonnie, do you remember Jillian?
And Marissa's got the helmet on.
Marissa, the loser in the head! Andre's the good skier. Andre, no, Andre, grab the chain. Andre, I'm gonna hold on to him. Okay, Andre, get on. Wait, I want to get on. Hey, grab on water. Okay. Oh my God. Hey, can I do it? Let me do it. No, Andre, quick, get out of the room. Andre,
Yes, my daughter is wearing a helmet.
Oh, you're amazing! Oh my God!
Thank you. Next year it's going to be twice as big.
That's awesome.
Yeah. Oh, you okay? Are you hurt? It's okay, it's his pet.
It's okay.
I've got it on video.
You got that on my head on video?
That is so going on YouTube and Facebook. And Facebook.
I thought that was just a random word. I want to catch it. Oh my God. I love it.
It's the attack of the killer bird. It's the killer bird.
She's famous. Here, get some brown over there. What's the name?
Hello, little visitor.
How
How cool is this?